If you watch a lot of videos while multitasking, Firefox has a super useful feature called Picture-in-Picture, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. This works great if you want to keep watching a YouTube video while browsing other tabs, checking emails, or working on something else at the same time. It's quick, easy, and built right into Firefox. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, go ahead and play any video you want. For this example, I'm using a YouTube video, but this feature works on many video websites. As soon as the video starts playing, move your mouse over the video screen. You should see a picture-in-picture icon appear on the video. This is the button that lets you pop the video out into a small floating window. Click that picture-in-picture icon once, and the video will instantly switch into picture-in-picture mode. You'll now see the video floating on your screen in a small movable player while the original tab stays open in the background. The great thing about this is that you can drag the floating video anywhere you want on your screen, and you can continue browsing or using other apps without stopping the video. If you want to turn picture-in-picture off, it's just as simple. Go back to the floating video window and click the picture-in-picture button again. That will return the video back to the normal browser tab and close the floating player. So just remember the basic process: open Firefox, play a video, click the picture-in-picture icon to enable it, and click it again to turn it off. That's all there is to it. It's one of those small Firefox features that can make a big difference in how you watch and multitask online. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more fast and useful software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.